Exercise 7.2, question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the two given points 4, -1 and -2, -3. Here in this question, 2 points are given and the line segment joining two given points are trisected by 2 points, and we have to find the coordinates of these 2 points which trisect the line segment joining two given points in the question. So given points are A4, -1 and B -2, -3. We have to find the coordinates of points which divide the join of two given points in this question into 3 equal parts. So situation in this question look like this. Points are 4, -1 and -2, -3. On the join of this line segment AB, there are 2 points P and Q, let us say like this, which divide the line segment AB in the 3 equal parts. So let P and Q be the points of trisection of line segment AB, which is the join of two given points in this question. So therefore AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Points P and Q trisect the line segment AB, that is divide into 3 equal parts. Point P here divides this line segment AB internally in the ratio of 1:2. Point P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore applying section formula, the coordinates of point P are M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y1, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Now put the values of M1, M2, x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this formula. M1 for point P ratio is 1:2, so AP is one part and PB is two parts. So for point P, this ratio is 1:2. 1:2. So M1 into X2, 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4. 1 into -2 plus 4 into 2 into 4 by M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. M1 Y2, 1 into -3, 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1, 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. This is equal to -2 plus 8, 6 by 3, 1 into -2, 4 2 ja 8, -2 plus 8, 6 by 3. One into -3, -3 -2, -5 by 3. So this is 2, -5 by 3. Coordinates of point P are 2, -5 by 3. Point Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Point Q divides this AB in the ratio of 2:1. So M1 is to M2 is 2:1 here for the point Q. So therefore applying section formula, the coordinates of point Q are 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1 and 2 into -3 M1 into Y2, 2 into -3 plus M2 into Y1, 1 into -1 by 2 plus 1 M1 plus M2. 2 into -2, -4 plus 4, 0 by 3, 0. 2 3 ja -6, 1 into -1, -1. So -6 -1 -7 by 2 plus 1, 3. This is 0, -7 by 3.